In this video, we're going to go over problem 72 and problem 95 from 4.5. And on this, we're looking for the probability that a person that voted in this, out of the 600 adults, the probability that they're a man or they voted no. So I need to count how many men voted plus how many total people voted no. And we know that there was 300 men surveyed and 300 women surveyed. If we add up those two rows. So we need to add 73 plus 170 plus 57 plus 121 divided by the total 600. And it looks like you did something similar to that, but maybe you added this 77, which was no opinion, versus voting no. So we end up with 421 over 600. Very similar to part B, we want to know how many people voted yes or they were a woman. So total number of women plus the number of men that voted yes. And here we would have the 300 plus 73. So this would be 373 over 600. And the last one was the number of people that voted no opinion or yes. Going back to the chart, I'm going to add the yes column and the no opinion column, and those two add together to 309 over 600. Very similar to 95. What's the probability that a random selected person is male who answered yes or no? So we're only looking at the males that answered yes or no. And the probability is already set up here, so we don't have to calculate them. So we just add the two probabilities together. And that's 0.246. So hopefully this answers any questions. If you have any more, please let me know.